Good evening to everyone. Today's session is on pitching and linkage of innovators with innovation ambassadors. I'm going to deliver a talk on what is an idea pitching, the meaning of pitching, why we have to pitch our idea, what is useful, how to present our idea in front of investors and etc. And the session will be carried forwarded by Professor Sandeep Kugli sir, and he will be telling his words on what is innovation ambassadors, how they are linking the innovators to Institute Innovation Council. Let me get into the session. So before going to what is idea pitching, there are new students who have joined this year for Institute Innovation Council. Let me give a brief introduction about what is IIC. So, Institute Innovation Council is a program initiated by Ministry of Human Resource Development (MHRD), Government of India. They have established the MHRD Innovation Cell in all the higher educational institutes, and BEC is one among them. Let me tell you what is the focus of IIC. It is used to create a vibrant local innovation ecosystem. It supports the startup or entrepreneurship in all the higher educational institutes. And what are the activities we are going to conduct under IIC? See, we use to conduct the various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities, knowing the Smart India Hackathon. We have conducted last year, we have conducted the internal hackathon. Same way, we are used to conduct an idea competition, mini challenges, everything is about the innovation. This was a brief introduction about what is IIC, what are the activities and focuses. Let me get you back to what is idea pitching. Let me ask you a few questions. Why do ideas fail? You may be saying that idea is not worth of marketing, or the idea cannot be sustainable. Innovation idea, the innovation illa ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But there are few people who have a brilliant idea. They used to lose themselves when they are presenting their idea in front of the jury members. That is what, because you were unable to convince the people. So let me tell you the basic meaning of what is pitching. A pitch is a presentation of a business idea to potential investors. For example, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ನೀವು ಇವನ್ ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ you used to give the seminars, right? See, few students will be getting A grade, few students will be getting above the average marks. Why is that so? You may say that the presentation is not good. The slide presentation, the way he presented, these are all points where the investors will look into it. I have listed few points which you have to mention those points in your slide whenever you are going to pitch your idea in front of investors. The first thing is the investors always see the problem. What problem you are solving? Second more important thing is solution. How is your startup going to solve that problem? What is the technology? What is the new form you are using which is already present in the market, and what is the new thing you are coming up? Market potential. See, in the few startups where they present, there are two models which they always highlight. The first one is business canvas model. In business canvas model, you are going to see who is a customer, how we are generating the revenue, who has given the fund, how efficiently you are utilizing that fund, and many more columns are present in business canvas model. In coming days, we will be organizing such workshops so that you can get an overview about the business canvas model. The second canvas model is double diamond, where in that also you will coming to know the different marketing strategies to present your idea in front of the investors. And the fourth point here is the secret sauce. Every startup or every company has something secret ingredient in their product. For example, you can say the Coca-Cola. In that Coca-Cola, there is a secret where the employee never discloses a thing. Here also, whenever you're presenting your idea, there should be something secret which you have to hide in front of the investors. You can have a one-to-one conversation later also. And the team always plays a vital role in the building a startup.
There were one professor. So I was under the pre-incubation and incubation management. Just I want to share the knowledge that I have got through that program, that through that training. So let me share my page here. All of you can see this paper now, Word file.
Yes, sir.
All of you can able to see this Word file here.
It's still loading
Yes,
from my
sir.
end, sir.
Yeah. So on the first day, it was there was a resource person called Mr. Rakesh Mishra. He talked about the following topics, right? So he talked about since I was under the session 4, just I said about session 4, that is with respect to the pre-incubations and incubation management. First, let me tell you the things that I have came across the points from the training. Then I will discuss about what is the incubation, what is the meaning of ambassadors, and what is the role of the ambassador and all. Within 5 minutes, I will explain the things that I have learned from the training, right? So in the first day, the resource person was Mr. Rakesh Mishra. He talked about the following topics. The first one, the planning of an incubator. He talked about the planning of an incubator. And the second point, he talked about the funding an incubator. And the third point, he talked about setting up a mentor program. And fourth one, he talked about the setting up of an education program, right? And in the second day, there was a person called Priyanka Mukherjee, right? Senior manager, IKP Park. She talked about the purpose and
Sir, are you sharing any PPT? Because I can't see anything.
is it not visible for you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let me. One second. Madam, Shruti madam.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
just
sir.
open that Word file that I have sent.
Word file, I have a PPT file, sir.
No, Word file. First you open that Word file, then I will come with the PPT.
Okay, sir. I need to download that. You please continue so that I can download in the middle.
Yeah, I will just continue, right? So otherwise you don't worry about that. Just I will talk it out about that. Okay. Directly you can open the PPT.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the first day, there was a person called Rakesh Mishra. He talked about the planning and incubator, and he talked about the funding and incubator, and mentoring a program, setting up of education, right? And the second day, Ms. Priyanka Mukherjee, she talked about the purpose and mission of an incubator. That is, she said incubator should be connected with the innovator, physical space, finance, customers, etc. And she talked about the funding. She talked about how funding can be done to open a new incubation center, how it is utilized for new and existing center. She talked about the following funding agencies like NSTDE, TBI, Atal Innovation Mission, Aspire 2. All these are the funding the operations in line with structure and objective, how to implement a systematic process for planning, monitoring, review, the incubation outcome. And these are all the things that we learned from the training, actually, right? So let me take up the slides now, right? Innovation ambassador. See, since I and Prashant sir gone through the training, and we both are considered as innovation ambassadors. Then what is the meaning of innovation ambassador. Shruti madam, next slide.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of innovation ambassador is, see, innovation ambassador are the employees, right? Are the employees who specifically promote innovations in the company, right? And steering in sense guiding the corporate culture in the right direction, right? Right direction. They are familiar with the